So everybody, welcome back. And today I want to touch on the subject that if you have a company website and if you haven't changed it in the past few years, it's probably time that you begin to consider some of the changes that are probably going to be the most popular things to happen to websites in 2015. And recently I read an article on the AmericanExpress.com website, and they talk about website design trends that are going to be popular beginning in 2015. And the points that they bring out is that businesses, they need to begin to adapt to the changing buying habits of their customers, of consumers. They need to be more interactive with that potential customer. And as we begin to move more and more to a mobile landscape to be able to present our messages to prospects and the customers, web design mindsets are also going to have to change to adapt to the evolving buyer. And three of the top changes that are going to happen. Number one is a more interactive website. And by that, what I mean is that the buzz online right now is for businesses to be able to tell a better story about themselves to the public, to the consumer, to the customer. And a good example of that is Tesla Motors, teslamotors.com, the electric car. And as you go to that website, you're going to see how all the information flows on one page. It's a story about the motor company, about the electric car. It begins with the design, the batteries, the benefits to the consumer. Every point or every question that a potential customer for a Tesla motor car might have is right there on one page. And also you're going to see a lot more benefits as you flow through that page. WordPress, the WordPress platform, is able to adapt to this type of a website change, and also Readz, R-E-A-D-Z, has some templates that you may want to check out. But anyway, a more interactive story needs to be told. The other is to take a look at your website, whether you're a business owner, a brick and mortar retailer, or if you have an online business. Take a look at the website that when you look at it today, you see right through probably some of the issues that they bring up as far as a change in 2015. A lot of us have just a blank, a flat, stagnant background, a white page with black fonts, red fonts, green fonts, you name the font, a picture here, a graphic there. In 2015, the background of the web page is going to become more alive. They're going to be able to bring in some HTML type content that is going to be able to liven up the page. Take a look at what you have, get on the internet and begin to look at some of the top companies in the US, and also take a look at some of the folks that you follow. They're probably going to be on the leading edge of some of these changes that you can pick up on. And the last thing is one-page scrolling. Right now, just about everybody has, when a customer or prospect comes to a website, a lot of it is tabs across the top or down the side where you have to go there with a cursor and click, or there's a pull-down menu. In 2015, they say it needs to be more of a scrolling page. Everything that is contained in the tabs on the top or on the side is on one page. And a good example of that is a website, let me make sure I get it right here, mylifewithout.me. My Life Without Me, but it's mylifewithout.me. Take a look at that, because the images move, it's really catchy, it's really easy on the eyes, It'll grab your attention, but then also as you go through the page, and all the content is on one page, if you want to go to the top and click on the headers on the tabs, when you do that, it takes you down to the content on that one page. It's a clean design, and something that you may want to consider beginning in 2015. Creative web design is going to offer everybody an advantage and a chance to make your business pop, to make it stand out. And after all, that's what we're all about. When you're in marketing, what can you do that's a little bit different to kind of catch somebody's attention so that they're going to stay on your page and begin to get engaged with the content. Anyway, check out those sites. Think about 2015, the changes you can make. And tomorrow, we'll get back together again on another video, and enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.